Yeah, sorry about that. So as I was mentioning, that if you time the car correctly, you might not even have to stop. So as you approach the roundabout, you look on your right, and if it's empty or the car is far away, you can carry on going. You already have your left signal on. You check your left mirror and take the exit. Now it's very important you check your left mirror because there might be a cyclist trying to undertake you, because a lot of times motorbikes and cyclists always try to undertake you or overtake you. Right, now if we're approaching the roundabout and we decide to take the second exit, so on approach you have a look on the board, you see that you're coming from 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock is in front of us, and your second exit, which is London, is right at 12 o'clock. So again, you stay on the left line, you start timing the cars coming from the right nice and early, and you do not indicate. All right, now once you find a gap, you carry on, making sure you swerve around the roundabout, and once you pass the first exit, then you check your left mirror, put your left signal on, and take your exit. Again, very important to check your left mirror because there might be someone trying to undertake you from the inside. Now if you taken the third exit, on approach you can see that you're coming from 6 o'clock, first exit Southampton, second exit is London, third exit is Chichester, and it's after 12. So this is 12 and Chichester is here, so it's after 12. Now things change. Now you approach the roundabout from the right hand lane. As you can see, there's two lines here, left and right. You stay on the right hand lane. You have to put your right hand signal on because that's to tell the cars behind that you're going round. Again, coming up to the giveaway line, you start timing these cars, and if it's clear, you carry on going. If there's a car coming, you will have to stop and let him go. Now this time you're going to stay in the right hand line, which I normally call it the inner line. This is the outer line, this is the inner line. So stay in the inner line, and once you pass the second exit before the one you're taking, then you check your left mirror, put your left signal on, and take your exit. Very important in this case to check your mirror, because now you're not just taking the exit, you're changing the position from the inner line, coming to the outer line, and then taking the exit. So mirror check, very important. So you can see anything at 12 or before, any exit at 12 or before, you approach from the left line. Any exit after 12, which is this and this, you approach from the right line, and you put your right hand signal on approach. Now let's talk about the fourth exit. On approach, you check the board. Fourth exit is 1, 2, 3, 4 after 12. Again, you stay on the right hand lane, you put your right hand signal on, give way to the cars coming from the right, then stay in the inner line, and once you pass the third exit, then you check your left mirror, put your left signal on, move your position, and take your exit to the fourth exit. Now this is how you would deal a normal standard roundabout. Now things get slightly complicated when you have three lanes. So as you're approaching, the rule stays the same. Anything at 12 o'clock or before, any exit at 12 o'clock or before, you approach from the left. Any exit after 12 o'clock, you approach from the right line, the far right line. Now for example, if you're taking the fourth exit on a 3-lane roundabout, then as you approach the roundabout, you will stay on the far right lane. You would follow the rule by giving way to the cars coming from the right. Now this time you will join the roundabout staying from the far right, and once you pass the second exit, then you'll check your left mirror, put your left signal on, and move to the middle line. And then once you pass the third exit, you will check your left mirror again and move to the left line and take your exit. So basically everything stays the same, you just got one more line to move to. And if it's a traffic light control, then it's kind of easy, because if it's red you stop, if it's green you go, they will stop for you. Remember, if it's a traffic light control roundabout, then traffic light won't just be at the beginning, you will find traffic lights in the middle somewhere as well. So be ready. As it turns green, it doesn't mean you can just carry on going. You have to spot the other traffic light and stop for that one as well. Now these are the normal standard roundabouts I explained to you. Hopefully soon I will make a video for spiral roundabouts as well. Spiral roundabouts are slightly different than these ones, but hopefully this video would help. Thank you very much for watching.